This video will cover the weekly maintenance interval on the Minark EnviroLAV toilet. Ensure the waste tank water level is between the lower level and upper level on the sight glass. If the water level is below the lower level on the sight glass, add water to the waste tank to ensure that the lower level is maintained. If the water level on the sight glass is at or above the upper level on the marked on the waste tank, have the waste tank pumped and cleaned. If no external water supply, remove the deck plate cover on the flushing tank and fill the flushing tank with water until it's full. Check the gallon jug of EnviroZYME. Replace as required. If you replace the gallon jug, you will need to reprime the system. Check the toilet operation. Ensure that the Venturi pump is primed when flushing the toilet and that the water remains blue. Using the toilet brush, clean the toilet as required. Ensure that you have enough toilet paper in the toilet roll holder. Replace as required. Using the key, open the soap dispenser and ensure that the soap is full. Fill with EnviroWASH as required. Ensure that the sink is functioning and draining correctly. Inspect the pre-filter canister on your filter element. Empty it as required. Inspect the pre-filter element and ensure that it's clean. Clean the element as required. Alternatively, for units with an external air blower intake air filter, remove the housing and clean the element as required. Ensure that the waste receptacle bin is clean and empty. Clean the inside of the toilet using the EnviroCLEAN spray. Do not use bleach, disinfectants, or other conventional cleaners. Use EnviroCLEAN and water only on the inside. For further information on the Minark EnviroLAV toilet, see the operating procedures manual located on the chemical storage door.